Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Mr. Bekele Beke. Keep out over.
Yes, how are you, Stibo?
Nati.
Mr. Fela Versace himself.
Yes, sir.
Stibo.
Mr. Only the Brave.
Yeah, ngicela la.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Benny McCarthy.
Yes.
Our boy.
Yeah.
He's flying the South African flag high.
Very high.
Yeah, so ngicela la before.
You on the TV, I came out there.
Kuphi Bloom.
No, ye.
Namuhla.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
Look,
Ngicabanga ngathi ungikhumbuza into za weekend mebra. Hey. Asikho lapho. Today sila.
Yeah.
Based supporter football.
Yes.
For football, yabona?
Yes.
Yeah. The game was very well.
Yeah.
Yonke into ihambe kahle.
Yeah.
Amakhosi ajabulile bawinile.
Yes.
Sabajabulisa.
Yes.
But siyazi ukuthi vela it's a one win per month.
For Chiefs.
Yeah, for Chiefs. So I don't think maybe it was surprising ukuthi make it maybe ngadliwa ngithola.
Yeah.
Because we already expected ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs win today.
Because it's March.
It's March. One win per month.
Yeah.
They win, they draw, they lose, and then they come again, and then they win.
Yes.
Ngithola.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs khona manje sesibiza when last did they? The new name of Kaizer Chiefs. When last did FC? Ukuthi bagcine nini FC?
Yeah.
NgeZulu.
Yeah.
Bafelelise nini FC?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasotho.
That's the name of Kaizer Chiefs. Everything that's good about Kaizer Chiefs engayikhuluma ngayo.
Yes.
Manje ifuna uGoogle.
It's history.
Yeah, every little thing that I can think of ngeKaizer Chiefs ehle ifuna uGoogle yonke mina ngiyaziyo.
It's history.
Yeah, when last did Kaizer Chiefs win a league? When last did Kaizer Chiefs win MTN 8? When last did Kaizer Chiefs win Nedbank?
Yes.
When? Zonke izinto zifuna uGoogle.
When last
did they? When last did Kaizer Chiefs score 5 goals in a match? When last? If khona manje yabona khona manje ngakubuza question enye khona manje ne ngifuna wonke ama supporters weKaizer Chiefs ama super fan abathi bona bazi Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, sure.
Bangangitshela like question lengingayibuzisa khona manje umuntu ngompa 100 rand bangangitshela ne player la khona ngompa 200 rand phezulu.
Yeah.
When last did Kaizer Chiefs supply a player of the season, highest goal player of the season? Kaizer Chiefs. Top goal scorer.
Knowledge Musona.
When last did Kaizer Chiefs produce a top goal scorer in PSL season? When last? Bafuna bonke ama Kaizer Chiefs. Yamthola. So everything about Kaizer Chiefs is Google. Yamthola. When last did they? Is the new name? When last did they? Yamthola. And abanye bathi bayakhuluma bathi ngizwe last Saturday baloko bakhuluma bathi hey yazi into engihlekisayo ngabo yini bawenza amabhare nababoni bayenza iSundowns yamabhare yazi iSundowns yabashaya bakithi ubashaya bayasikhuthaza hey we lost the game but it's best because we didn't lose like Orlando Pirates. We lost 1-0 ubulima lobo angazi ukuthi bathi we came prepared at the end of the season. Being prepared at the game, does it makes you a victoria? Do you get points out of coming to the games being prepared?
No.
You don't get points out of that.
0 points.
0 points.
Yes.
Young Chol.
Yes.
So abanye bathi sibreka ngokuthi siku number 2. My brother, being number 2, each and every sport in the world that you can think of, whether it's rugby, whether it's tennis, whether it's running, they only recognize 3 sports.
Yeah.
3 positions.
Yes.
number 1, number 2, and number 3. Those are the most important sports,
silver,
and positions.
Not 8.
That's why there is gold, silver, and bronze.
Yes.
If they were to say khona manje at the end of the season teams are going to get medals, we are going to get silver.
Yes.
Bona nabayotholana
Bronze team.
uyangithola. No, I'm just saying angeke una batho ba bang ba number 2 as ayabuthokwa ayibereki one hlalwane. So ke nyaka ba tlhalosetsa gore number 2 is very important, my brother.
Yeah.
If you are number 2, you have to brag about it and then be happy about it.
Yes.
We have to celebrate being number 2.
Because some are not there.
Because it's not everyone who can end up the season. And
When last day
be number 2 in the league. When last the day? When last the day?
When?
We are told.
When last the day?
But listening. So it's a when last the day team. But everything about them is when last. So everything about Kaizer Chiefs is Google. There is nothing that's maybe even today they've won. Okay, sharp. But everything about them, I don't know what to say about them. The nice things that I can say about them, because I have to take out Google Kala. When last did they win the league? When last did they end up number 2 league? And then by brag about Bona, they are the last team to play a finalist Kevin.
Yes.
But they forget to goodbye Kev. Babe number 2. So do you see with the position in number 2 is very important?
Yes.
If you don't become number 2 at the end of the season, you won't ever play KF.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So when you think I mina,
But check.
when last the day is the new name of Kaizer Chiefs.
21.
When last the day?
Win the cap.
When last the day? Ngiyamthola Joe. Ngithi ngiphethe 2 clipper. Abazi nokuthi
After this interview, these 2 guys they are arrested. The nearest police station here. Ashela mapolisa yemi.
When last the day? Enyebopha man of the match bathi ulilepo. Yawudlalile awuthi akunankinga ngiyabapha. Yabona? Mina bengifuna ukulungisa kwi-ayina nje kuphela ngi-ayine. Tomorrow I will be representing ama-Gauteng wonke le PE. Ngiyangithola. Tomorrow I'm going to represent iBhakashushu. So dlala ne-Chipa. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi namuhla ngimbona uMan B, angazi ukuthi useka ufuna ufavor yiphi. Angazi. So Man B kusasa ngiyokuthola ugqoka iskipa sakho seChipa. Ngifuna ukuhlala nawe so kusasa. Ngifuna ukukhombisa enye into wena. And ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi when last day? So kusasa nearest police station. Sasa I'm going to PE representing Bhakashushu. Yeah, I'm going to represent onke ama-Gauteng onke engeke abakhona ukufika leza bengikhona. Yeah, atlasaya njalo.